Do you want to recreate the same tutorial? Then follow the entire video and watch up till end. But before that, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for latest notification, liking and sharing the video because that really means a lot to me and that is a big encouragement and a thumbs up. As always, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Concealer to conceal. I'm going to use the flat shader brush and going to use this concealer below my brows and all over the lid space. The reason behind to use the concealer is to have the clean and clear canvas or the clean space, because on a blank space the eyeshadows will pop more. Similarly, I'm going to use it above my brows and underneath my eyes too. And next, to set this concealer, I'm going to use a loose powder. You can use any loose powder that you have, or you may also go for compressed powder. After setting the entire lid space with loose powder, now it's time to fill in the brows. But before that, I'm going to brush my brow hair with the help of a spoolie. The reason to do this because if we apply products, then those may apply on our brow hair, and this spoolie will clean them, and then finally we are going to fill the brows using the brow powder that is going to be available with you. You are not necessarily required to use what I am using. You can use what you have at your home, and I'm going to fill in the brows easily. And once again, I'm going to brush the brow hair with the help of spoolie to spread the product evenly in the brows. And next, I'm taking this brown shade from the Hated with Love palette and a small flat definer brush and start building the crease area. For building the crease area, I'm taking the small quantity of the eyeshadow and start gently placing on the lid space as shown in the video. Take gently and build the color. And slowly building the color is going to transform into this way, into this look. And this is going to be really easy. But if you will take too much color, then it's not going to look good or it's going to be patchy. After giving the full transition, or I'm happy with the intensity, I'm going to take the lighter color eyeshadow and going to smudge using the small flat shader brush. And now it's time to cut the crease, and for this I have used the same concealer of L'Oreal, and I'm just going to mark where my crease fold end, and I'm going to use the same concealer and going to fill this and going to make a beautiful cut crease out of it. After doing so, I'm going to take this shadow and using on the very outer corner of my eye, just simply placing the color with a flat big brush. A flat brush is used to place the color, and the blending brushes are different, which are used to diffuse the edges and the eyeshadows. So I'm going to take the flat brush and deposit the color simply in the very outer corner of my eye. And next I'm taking this shade from the same palette to use it on the area where I have used the concealer, and I'm going to set this entire concealer with that eyeshadow using a flat definer brush. Brush, I'm now going to diffuse the outer corner very easily so that there will be no harsh edges and harsh lines on my eye. After blending the entire eyeshadow, I'm going to apply the glitter eyeliner in the first half of my cut crease to highlight it even more. And you can see how beautiful that has turned out. And next step is to apply the eyeliner simply, and you can use any eyeliner that you have at your home. And I'm going to simply use one gel eyeliner that was available with me, and I'm going to line my lash line very, very precisely, because I don't want my liner to be overpowering my concealer or my cut crease. After applying the eyeliner on my upper lash line, I'm going to follow the same step on my lower lash line too. Do not miss your lower lash line in any eye makeup, because the flat lower lash line do not complement the upper entire makeup of the eye. And after that, I'm going to take a light brown color and going to diffuse the lower lash line to have that perfect blended look. And the final step is to use a highlighter on my brow bone as well as on my inner corner. I know this highlighter is looking too much, but I'm going to light it down using my finger in the next step. And now it's time to curl the lashes. I'm using a lash curler for that. After curling the lashes, I'm pairing them with a good coat of mascara. Again, I am using the local mascara. You can use any that you have. And after using the mascara on my lashes, I'm going to use the Red Cherry 3D eyelashes to pair up with this look. And after applying the eyelashes, we are completely done with our eye makeup. Honestly, this has turned out really amazing. This has turned out to be fantastic. Give your thoughts, give your opinion about this eye makeup in the comment section down below this video. And again, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. If you like my video, then share it with your friends as well. And you will find all the social media links in my description box. If you want to follow me on that, then do check that out. Till then, take care and stay healthy. Bye, guys.